Off lecture. Learn beyond class.
Hi friends and welcome to Off Lecture, Learn Beyond Class. And this is chapter 1, Patterns in Mathematics. Now let's understand adding odd numbers. It's a beautiful relationship between two sequences. The pattern is 1 is equals to 1. Now if we add two numbers, 1 plus 3 will give you 4. Then we add, like, the sequence of odd numbers is 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. So if we just keep 1, we will get 1. If we add 1 plus 3, we will get 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 will give you 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 will give you 16. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 will give you 25. And 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 will give you 36. So what you are getting? You are getting the answers are exactly the square numbers in order. That is, 1 is the square of 1 square. 4 is the result of 2 square. 9 is the square of 3. 16 is a square of 4. 25 is a square of 5. 6 is a square of 36 is a square of 6. So now what pattern we are getting? 1 square, comma 2 square, comma 3 square, comma 4 square, comma 5 square. Okay, so this pattern never breaks and a picture shows exactly why. Okay, you can do a quick check also. If you add the first 10 odd numbers, it will add up to 100. And if you add first 100 odd numbers, it will give you to 10,000. We can check for first 10 odd numbers because it will be easier to calculate. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, sorry, odd numbers, no, my mistake. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 17 plus 19. So how should we add them? Should we add them like this? 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25. This is one of the patterns, but we can add first and last numbers also. 1 plus 19 is 20, 3 plus 17 is also 20, 5 plus 15 is also 20, 7 plus 13 is also 20, 9 plus 11 is also 20. So how many 20s we get? We get 5. So the answer will be 100. Okay. So this is the beautiful sequence that we started with, that is adding odd numbers will give you the squares of consecutive numbers. And this pattern can be represented by a picture also, which is this one. So this is 1 square, this is 2 square, this is 3 square, this is 4 square, this is 5 square, and this is 6 square. Okay, so a one good picture can explain every size at once. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let's do the same thing, a second road to the same place, that is adding up and down. Okay, this is activity 1.4. After this, we will get to the activity 1.4. Try this. 1 plus 2 plus 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So what pattern we are creating? 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 16. So what we are getting here? Again, we are getting the square of each numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. But this time we are counting from the counting numbers. We are using the counting numbers. Previously, what we were doing is we were adding the odd numbers. Okay, we were adding the odd numbers. But what now we are doing is we are using the counting numbers. Okay, so how the picture will be shifted? Initially, we created this picture. So we have 1 dot, then we had 3 dot, then we had 5 dots, like this. So it was creating a square in a normal shape. But here, if you see, this is also a square, but tilted in nature. And this is what we are doing. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Again, it will give you the 25, which is 5 square. Okay. So these dots form a tilted square and rows growing then shrinking. Okay. A simple shortcut is, if you want to calculate up to n, what you have to do is you have to back down, again gives n times n. Okay. Now let's move to activity 1.4, that is sum that makes new sequence. Which sequence appears when you add all one's sequence up? The counting numbers up, pairs of consecutive numbers. Okay, so this is activity 1.4. try to do it yourself, try to understand what the question is asking from you, and then we will solve it together. So let's understand which sequence appears when you add all one's sequence up, the counting numbers up, pairs of consecutive triangular numbers. So if we keep adding ones up again and again, so like 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and then again 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 4. So we are getting the counting numbers up. Now if we keep adding the counting numbers, like 1, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, like this, by adding 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now if we keep adding these counting numbers, that is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3, 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 5, sorry 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 gives you 10. So this will give you the triangular series. That is, we start from all ones, then we get to the counting numbers, and then we got to the triangular series. Okay. Now something stranger. Let's take a triangular number. Let's say we take 3. Okay. We take 3. So let's multiply it with 6 and add 1. So 1 times 6 plus 1, sorry, 3 times 6 plus 1 is 19. Similarly, if we take the first number of triangular series, so 1 times 6 plus 1 will give you 7. So 7, 19, then 6 times 6 plus 1 will give you 37. And this is the hexagonal numbers. These are the hexagonal numbers. The picture explains the arithmetic exactly. 6 identical triangles arranged around one dot. The 3 triangles are the multiplication and the middle dot is the plus 1. You can see in the diagram, triangles is leading to hexagons, and later hexagons will lead to cubes. Last one. Let's do the last one. Add hexagonal numbers. That is, we were having first 1, then 7, then 19, then 37. Okay. So what we are going to do is we will take these hexagonal numbers and add the hexagonal numbers. That is 1, then 1 plus 7 is 8, then 1 plus 7 plus 19 is what you will get 27, then 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37, what you will get 27 plus 37 is 64, and so on. So what you are getting is, from hexagonal numbers, if you keep adding, you will get the, what you will get? Try to name this sequence. Yes, we are getting cubes. That is 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. So देखो एक चेन बन गई ट्राइंगल से, ट्राइंगुलर सीरीज से. अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करूं आपको, ये चेन कैसे बनी. ट्राइंगुलर सीरीज से हमने हेक्सागोनल सीरीज बना दी, और हेक्सागोनल से हमने क्यूब सीरीज बना दी. तो ये सीक्वेंस अलग अलग चीजें नहीं है, ये एक दूसरे के अंदर से ही ओपन होती जाती है, और यही इस चैप्टर की सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट और खूबसूरत बात है. दैट इज, कोई पैटर्न इंडिविजुअल नहीं है. एक पैटर्न से आप दूसरा पैटर्न बना सकते हो, दूसरे पैटर्न से आप कोई तीसरा पैटर्न बना सकते हो, एंड सो ऑन. ओके, सो let's do activity 1.5. What do you get when triangular numbers are multiplied by 6 and 1 is added? And what do you get when hexagonal numbers are added? Okay, so ये हम अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही करके हमने ट्राई किया था. So try this one at your end also. So triangular numbers क्या हैं? Triangular number is 1, plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, and so on. So if we multiply 6 with 1 and add 1, we will get 7. If we multiply 3 with 6 plus add 1, we'll get 19, then 37, then 61. And what is this series? This is hexagonal numbers. You can see from this diagram, this is the hexagonal numbers. And now if we add these hexagonal series, that is 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37 plus 61, we will get 1, 8, 27, 64. And these are the cubes. So hexagons is building the cubes. Okay. I hope this is clear.